Reminding you watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe.
I hope they can see you
And
too.
like. And subscribe and like. Run.
Oh, yes, guys, it's a very good day, an excited day. I want to share with you. I have been here for 8 years since we moved into this new house, and everything you are seeing here, microwave, fridge, stove, it's all we bought together with this new house. It's not new anymore, it's after 8 years. So, today I want to tell you a good news, a good news for me and for you too. So, today I'm going to change my stove. Now, this stove is a garbage. Where we are living, I don't know who I can give to because everyone has her or his own, right? We are going to get a new stove today. Let us go and choose together. Just come along with me. I will show you where I am going. I like Samsung because in my house, dishwasher, laundry machine, dry machine, it's all Samsung. So I love it already. It's in my blood. But let us just keep it this way. Let us go see what they have. If I see something like this, I will buy. But I need something cheap, something which I can afford. Let us do this together, guys. Okay, guys, now on our way. Let us go and see what they have. Here we are. We are here. We are here. We are coming to the homes. Now we're gonna go inside. Let's go together. We are in the homes. That is our house. Yes, we are here, guys. Okay. Um, look at this. Let us check here. Because this one here, you can bake pizza. I don't like this one. Just like a flat one. Oh, this looks good. So we are here, guys. We are here. So which one? Choose with me. Choose with me. Is this Samsung? So guys, I'm excited. So we are here. This guy is just explaining to us how does it work, and the price are different, and that means the brands also are different. So let us keep looking. That's why. Look at this one. It comes with the baking tray. Measurement. No. Huh?
Can you get my paper?
Okay, guys. Now we already have something in our mind which stove we can get today, but also today we are looking for a mattress. My mattress, guys. Let's go and check it. Not comfortable. This is queen mattress. No, I trust it. Mm.
Yeah, because
You like it like this? Ooh, I don't. Yeah,
that's not it.
yeah, yeah. Me. Yes. I don't really like the top. Hi. This is the stove I'm gonna get. This is a different style. Actually, that one it's my side. I mean, this one is the one I have. This one is the one I have. But today I'm taking this one, taking a tray. So I love it. So this is what we are getting today, and the mattress. We will show you when they deliver it. So everything we have paid, everything is done, and delivery will be on Monday. So I will show you when they deliver them. So now we are out. Come with me. So now we are going back home, and I will show you when it arrived on Monday. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Uh, keep subscribing, keep watching my video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye. Love you guys. So we are here today. This stove here is going. I paid $30 for them to take this with them. And also I paid $20 for the old mattress. So now the mattress is here. Let me show you. This is the mattress. This one is garbage too. This is my old mattress. They will take it with them. It's still good. It's not dirty. It's good. But you know, when you stay with something longer, you just feel like you want to change them. It's empty. The down one is empty. Okay, they are here, guys.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. Good. Yourself?
Good.
Come, 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 come. Come on, come, come. See that? That's new one. And that's his old one. Eh?
Maybe to go.
You have to get out from here.
So for your new stove,
Yeah.
let it sit for about an hour before you plug it in and use it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Just because it's getting cold now?
Right.
Yeah.
He is going. Guys, my stove is coming.
Make sure you hang on to the box for a couple days just to make sure everything's fine, okay?
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. No, it's cold. Come here.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. And if there's any issues, give us a call, okay? We'll just need a signature with your finger there. We just got to get a photo of one of them so we know we're here, and we are good. You have a great rest of the day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yeah.
You too.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Enjoy your supper.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Grace, do you like my new stove?
I like my new stove.
Yay! Give me five. Yay! So the price of this is $1,500. I only like flat stove, and is what I got. I'm so happy. Yes.
What
So, let's open it. For my so this is just a baking tray there. Have been with me since the start of this video. I want to show you because I want to cook my first cooking food on my stove. Are you ready? If you are, let us do this. To use chapati, have oil, onion, bell pepper, of course, salt, onion, green onion is eggs. So I will show you how I'm gonna do it. Egg. This is for the baby, the little one, and I'm gonna add some salt. I like making for her just small pan. I will put just a little bit oil. Myself, I don't mind and I don't care any oil, but if I'm making for her, honestly, I like using olive oil. There's this little pan, this little one. It's not even meat. guys, thank you. Thank you for staying with me since the beginning of this video. Till now, you are still with me. Hey, shout out to you, and I really thank you so much. Now, you have seen my new stove. I've enjoyed cooking on, and hey, happiness. I'm happy. So, thank you for staying. Thank you for being there since the start till now. And I would like you guys to watch this. Very funny. Okay, go ahead. Say hello.
My name. You're watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Can you subscribe?
Can you subscribe? I hope they can
Subscribe
see you.
and like. And subscribe and like.
Can you see this? We are recording? Oh,
Subscribe
can you see us?
and
Okay.
like. Subscribe. Cause around.
Run away.
Cause around.